So today, I'm going to teach you on how you can do this manually and also you can also use a form to enter it. So with your keyboard, you can do that manually. Let's say name, score, that's score. Then the age. So manually from your keyboard, you can just do this quickly. Let's say we have Tola Daniels. The score is 78. We have the age to be 25. You can also have, let's say we have Williams. Williams is 50, let's see that, 4. It's estimated to be, let's say, 95. Whose age is, let's say, 27. This person is so intelligent. We also have, let's have Timothy for it. Timothy, let's say Ola. And the person's call, let's estimate to 88, and the age, let's say 25. Okay, so you come in between here, I expand this. This, so you can have wider space for your score. Then I don't know who wants to do this using a form. So what you do, this is the form. This is what we call quick access. Just come here. I'm going to remove this now so I can show you how to do that. Come to your file menu, down to your options, click on the option. It's going to bring this up. This you're seeing here. It's going to bring this up and then come to your quick access bar because we want to move the form quickly to our quick access bar. Come here, click to get through your own commands. Then we're going to scroll down. Scroll down, we're going to get the form from here so that it can be in our quick access bar for easy access. As a data entry, this is the form, flush it to your quick access bar, just say okay. Okay, so see, we have the form back here. Before you can use the form to enter your data, you must select your headers. Select this, come to your form, just say okay, and this is the form. Some of you to start typing, just do that manually. You can be using form. It's very bold, it's bolder, and sometimes it can be more convenient for you to enter your data. Let's start again. Let's say we have Daniel Ola as a name. Tab, the score is 90. Tab, the age is 23. Just enter. Then we could also have Williams space, and then let's say TT this time. Tab, let's say the score is 76. Tab, and the age is 31. Enter. So this is so beautiful. And let's say we also have, let's say, do you have any other name you have to give me? Let's say we have Lucky space. We have Endurance. Oh, wow. That is my niece. Tab. And then we have the score is 7-4. Tab, and the age is 21. Enter. See, you have the beautiful table already. Don't forget, and let's enter one more name. Let's say we have Erin space. Let's say we have Erin. And this time we're going to be having Tola. I love Yoruba names. So here we see, let's say the score is 75, and the age is let's say 29. Just enter here. We're already building our table, and it's so beautiful, and we arrange. So after that, when you are done, you close. Don't forget, you can also have more than 3 columns. I'm having just 3 columns here just to practice. You can have as many columns, just ensure that you select the top column, then go to your form and bring in your form to enter your data with the form. I hope you find this very impactful. See you in my next class. Thank you.